Close your eyes for a moment and imagine waking up tomorrow morning to a world where every drop of fresh water has suddenly disappeared. No rivers, no lakes, no drinking water, no snow on the mountains, no wells beneath the ground. Just gone. Could humanity survive 24 hours without fresh water? Would animals make it? What about crops, hospitals, cities, power plants? What happens to life itself when the very source of life vanishes? Would chaos begin instantly, or would the world fall silent as we suddenly realize what we truly depend on? Today we step into that world, a world where fresh water, the quiet miracle that sustains every heartbeat on land, simply isn't there just for one day, but long enough to change everything. At first it feels strange, but not terrifying. Someone turns on the tap and nothing comes out. Coffee machines stop, showers go dry. Schools begin dismissing students early. In hospitals, doctors realize that sterilization is impossible. Cooling systems fail. Certain treatments must stop. And slowly, a quiet panic spreads. Because water isn't a luxury, it is survival. Nature holds its breath. Animals search desperately for water that no longer exists. Birds fly farther than they ever have. Farm animals grow weak. Plants begin to shut down their life processes to survive. Forests wait in silence. Ecosystems freeze in time. Every living thing knows the clock has started. Civilization pauses. Power plants that rely on cooling systems begin to shut down. Factories close. Transportation slows. People gather together. Some pray. Some stare at the empty ground. Some finally ask questions they never asked before. Humanity suddenly realizes how fragile civilization really is. The human body, a human being, can survive only a few days without water. But after only hours, the mouth dries, the heart beats faster, the head aches, the body weakens. Children suffer first, the elderly too, and the sick most of all. The world becomes quieter, more thoughtful, more aware. The longest day in history. As the sun sets, the world feels heavier than ever before. No more rushing, no more noise, only awareness. Awareness that water was never just a resource. It was the silent partner of every breath, every harvest, every civilization, every life. And then, after 24 long hours, fresh water returns. Rivers fill, rain falls, taps begin to sing again, and the world breathes out. But humanity is no longer the same. A gentle truth, because after losing water for just one day, we finally understand something powerful. We don't live with water. We live because of it. It is not simply part of life. It is life. And maybe, from that day forward, we begin to treat it not as a convenience, but as a miracle that carries the story of every living thing that ever walked this earth. So let me ask you, if fresh water disappeared for one day, would humanity panic, or finally learn to cherish the silent gift that keeps us alive?